Good morning guys. In this video we are going to break down major forex pairs, GA, GU, EU and of course gold. So let's get started. We are going to start with gold. The first thing you have to do is to check for market direction. We have to start with 4-hour trend time frame. Then as you can see, we were in 4-hour trend to the upside, and this is the last demand area, and this is the last zone of 4 hour. So we were waiting for price to come back to this area, and as you can see, price after coming back to this area, we have to liquidate this internal liquidity, and then from there we have seen change of character to the upside on 15 minutes. So this was a big sign that the market is going to continue pushing up higher, but we were expecting for price to come back to this demand area. Unexpectedly, the market didn't come back to this area, but still this zone is still valid, so we can expect price to come back to this area of 15-minute trend and then liquidate this liquidity I think here, and then we can look for market shift on 1-minute time frame, which is good. So wait for price to align on our time frame. So if we see price come back to this demand area or major zone and gave us 1-minute change of character, we are going to look for long opportunity, targeting price to continue pushing up higher. We can expect price to make a pullback after liquidating this liquidity. Here price has liquidated this liquidity, but there is nothing happened, no change of character to the downside. So right now I'm expecting price to liquidate this before price crashing back or make a pullback to this zone. That's what I'm waiting on gold. Not much going on. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting. And GU still the same analysis as yesterday or day before yesterday. We can clearly see that the market, we are in a big uptrend on 4 hour. Okay, and this is a big sign. As you can see, we have even broke this daily zone, which holded the price to push down lower, and this is a major sign that the market is ready to push up higher. And as you can see, we are expecting price to make a pullback to this main area before looking for long. And if we scale to 15 minutes, we can see we have started a big trend to the upside, but still the price has broke this range. So I am expecting the price to liquidate this internal liquidity, okay, and then price continue pushing to this zone, and again then give 1-minute change of character or 5-minute change of character, and then look for short opportunity, targeting price to move to this area or even this last 4-hour zone. Still, from my perspective, I am still favoring GU to continue pushing up higher, but we have to trade this carefully by observing how the price is reacting on this demand or on this zone, because as you can see the price is coming from major liquidation of this liquidity, and after liquidating this liquidity have seen 5-minute change of character here. But the main thing I don't consider this liquidation is that we haven't seen like a big candle that represent the buying pressure, and as you can see we are still like in consolidation. Price is moving nowhere, so I prefer to see price make a 1-minute shift to the zone or 5-minute shift to the zone to the downside. Then I'm going to look for short opportunity. Still the same analysis. I'm only going to look for long if I see price do like something like this and then like this. That's where my perspective on GU will change to the upside. But right now still there is higher chance that the market is going to continue pushing up lower, pushing down lower. And EU that just look the same as GU, still waiting for price to get hit on this zone. Nothing much. This is another supply area, so still there is a room for price to moving up or higher if you are looking for short opportunity. Okay. As I said, this is the main thing that will change my perspective on EU also. Price makes something like this. This will change my perspective on EU about sale. So, but right now you can see that price is still in consolidation mode, and I will look for sell. Either price come back to this zone, okay, or price break this low. Then from here I am going to look for short. If price come back to this and then break and then give 1-minute change of character to the downside, I'm going to look for short, targeting price to continue pushing down lower. As simple as that. And last to GA, we can start on 4 hour. As you can see, 4 hour we are still in downtrend, and this is the last break of 4 hour. Okay, and then we skate off 1 hour, and you can clearly see that this is 1 hour continuation to the downside. Okay, this is 1 hour continuation to the downside. We mark up our zone. This is the lower high. Scale to 15-minute time frame and mark up our supply area, and this is a supply area which we can look for short opportunity trading by trading 1 hour trend. And right now I'm expecting price to liquidate this again before looking for short. Price come back and then liquidate this and then give 5-minute change of character to the downside on a low time frame. Then I'm going to press short to the hoping the price is going to continue pushing down lower. I am only going to look for a short again if price break this structure. 5 minutes. If we see price candle on 5 minutes and then close below, then I'm going to look for short opportunity like this, and then 1 minute time frame market shift, then continue looking for short opportunity. Right now there is no sign of price to continue pushing down lower, to continue pushing upward. So there is a big chance, a higher probability the market is going to continue pushing down lower. Yeah, that's it guys. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for following, thank you for watching video. Please subscribe, share and like. Ciao ciao, happy trading day.